There's 312 strands. I believe it's somewhere like 7,000 or 8,000 discs.
We're basically the mail sorting room.
We had to pull them out of the envelope and then wrap a piece of tape around it. And then there was a long length of this wire attached.
Yeah, you measure it, you cut it, you don't want to mess that up.
Each disc is a laser cut stainless steel mirror with silkscreen on it, and then it's all strung together on metal cable. Each strand is fed through a hole in the ceiling frame, and then a crimp is placed on the other side to hold them in place.
Behind me is a site-specific installation by the American artist Pae White. It's designed specifically for the Jones School of Business here at Rice University. When the artist visited campus, what she found was a really global institution. So she conceived what's essentially a globe in flux. And as you walk around the sculpture, you see it from different angles, different colors, different elements of light. And that really reflects the changeability of our world and the way in which addressing some of these issues invites our curiosity from whatever perspective you're coming from and whatever perspective you're going to.
So all the pieces and all the designs and all the colors are organized in a computer program to create blushes of color throughout a sphere. And the computer program goes through 5,000 options of designs. And then Pae goes through all 5,000 and selects the best one.
Well, the installation of this work has been an exercise in creative problem solving, really a partnership between our team here at Rice University, the artist who's located in California, and her studio technician who's here with us now, helping with the installation.
Once we figured out how this grid that was going to be laid out, we took the boxes we had and subdivided them into sections where we could set these stacks once we unwrapped them out of the foam.
I think looking at triple Virgo, you really feel that it's site-specific and it really activates the atrium of the heartbeat of the Jones School, McNair Hall. As you walk around the piece, it changes color. So from different angles, you see warm tones or cool tones. From the ground floor, you see different colors than you do from the second floor. And I think that reflects the dynamism of the teaching and learning that's going on here at the Jones School and at Rice University.